Okay, so Skylar's here. We're going to do some Botox. And you're going, where are we doing Botox? Clearly, we're not doing it all over here. Skylar has some issue where she gets pain in her jaw. And actually, one side was much bigger than the other, wasn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And so what I'm going to do for her is we're going to inject right along the masseter, which is one of the muscles that make the jaw close, and also her temporalis muscle, which is right here. It goes underneath her arch and goes into the jawbone, and that allows her to be not quite as stressed. It relaxes the muscle, and you've been pretty symptom-free for how long now?
For pretty much a year now.
Yeah.
I used to get like really bad migraines.
Right.
And that's completely subsided.
It's a real win-win, and right now, you treat people with migraines, but this is something sort of new in the last, well, actually not so new, but people are talking about it because the masseter muscle is a really strong muscle, and if you can relax that along with the temporalis muscle, people get really nice relief. And we're going to inject her now. So bite down a little bit so we can see how her muscle. So we go here, we do a little bit. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. The other side. And it's amazing how really little you have to do to get the result. That's it. We inject this. It really isn't about paralyzing, because if we paralyze, then she couldn't eat, and that would be, she's already can't afford not to eat, right? But what it is, it's mostly you're breaking up the cycle of spasm. And so I tell people usually 3 to 5 days to see the effect, but when did you see your effect?
I would say a couple weeks,
Yeah.
2 to 3 weeks.
Yeah, it really does. And in her case, we've done it a little asymmetric because one side of her jaw was, I remember the first time, one side was really pulling to the other. Now it's kind of even. And now that it's even, we inject the same size equally. So, once you do it, and how long does it last for you?
4 or 5 months.
Yeah. Botox typically lasts 3 to 5 months. Some people more, some people less, but I think this thing seems to last a little longer than the cosmetic part of it. And so it's a great little procedure that obviously makes you happy, right?
Yeah, I love it. Love it.
Perfect.